May I have your attention, please? So, all right. Am I audible? Yes. Last तक. Great. Sir, एक शायरी प्रस्तुत है. किसी और से क्या पूछूं देश क्या देता है. किसी और से क्या पूछूं देश क्या देता है. ये तो सोचना है कि हम क्या नया कर सकते हैं. युवा हूँ, जोश में हूँ, हौसला भी लाई हूँ. युवा हूँ, जोश में हूँ और हौसला भी लाई हूँ. मैं भारत हूँ और मैं नई सोच भी लाई हूँ. With that emotion stirring in our hearts, pride in our souls, I, Jitasha Shashi Hiremit, welcome you all to this grand occasion, where we are joined by those who don't just speak of patriotism, but have lived it. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my profound honor to introduce to you a stalwart of the Indian Army, a true son of Bharat Mata, a decorated war veteran, and a symbol of fearless leadership. Retired Major General Ajay Singh Chauhan, sir, Shaurya Chakra and Sena Medal. Sir, who is currently serving as the Managing Director of the Army Welfare Placement Organization. Commissioned in 1984 into the Mahar Regiment from the prestigious Indian Military Academy. His service journey spans from Indira Col in the icy Siachen Glacier to the Indira Point in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, truly covering India from tip to toe. Sir commanded an infantry battalion in the Batalic sector of Kargil, led an operational brigade in Punjab and played a pivotal logistics role in the strategic Pathankot sector, ensuring supply chains to Ladakh. Sir later held the command as General Commanding Officer of the Jodhpur sub-area. An expert in communication and strategy, General Chauhan sir has served as a Director of Media and Perception Management at the Army Headquarters, and also as a faculty at the prestigious Army War College, mentoring the next generation of the strategic military leaders. What makes his story exceptional are the two gallantry awards that he holds: the Sena Medal for his valor in the hostile terrain of Siachen, and the Shaurya Chakra awarded by the President of India for bravery in counter-insurgency operations in Assam. A scholar, soldier, sportsman and statesman, he represents the finest traditions of military leaderships. Even post-retirement, Sir continues to serve by empowering veterans, widows and their families through dignified placement supports at the AWPU. Sir, your presence here today is not just an honor, but a moment of deep pride for all of us. Let us give a thunderous round of applause and welcome the real hero of India. Jai Hind, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless. I'll request both of you to sit down. I'll be very happy if you sit down, because I can only stand here. Only one person can stand. So please get chairs and then we will start. Did you all have lunch? Yes or no? Then you are going to miss this. Good afternoon, boys and girls. Good afternoon, sir. And Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Matter of immense pride and privilege to speak to you. And who introduced me? Thank you very much. God bless you. I never knew I have done so much, you know. Right. So what should I speak to you here? First, let me on the Kargil Divas, which happened in 1999. I take this opportunity to pay homage to all who have sacrificed for this motherland. And because of them, we are standing here. Extremely solemn occasion. Okay. At the outset, I would like to thank Dr. Tanu Jain, this institution, Tatha Astu, Rachna Chauhan, who's been after me for a long time to come and interact with you, the wonderful faculty who's here, and boys and girls who are the aspiring future leaders of this country, for having given me this opportunity to speak to you. Indeed, a privilege and an honor. So, you know, from where do I start with? when I see this young generation, I see in me as to how I started my journey. You are very, very privileged, extremely privileged today, that you are sitting here in such beautiful environment. Absolute 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much? 4, no? 4 air conditioners. My God, I didn't have in my house. There was no AC when I was young. You know, we were 3 brothers, 1 sister. My father was in railways. How I started my journey, I will share this with you, and very, very important to understand this, and then you will realize how privileged you are as to you are sitting here in such wonderful organization and given an opportunity to become future leaders of this country. And I see a lot of IPS, lot of IAS, lot of, you know, doctors, engineers, military leaders, I would say, in all of you. Right, so I started in a place called Gorakhpur in Uttar Pradesh, and my father was in railways, my mother was a teacher. We used to walk 5 kilometers every day to school, and there was a railway line. We crossed the railway line every day. Tiffin liya, nahi liya, school पहुँचे, स्कूल में कभी लेट हो गए, हाँ, कभी मम्मी ने टिफिन नहीं दिया तो लेट भी हो गए, हाँ, अब डर ये लगता था ये कॉपी है अभी चेक भी होगा. So it started from there. Never I realized that I will also become one of the military leaders. She spoke about me. I was not aware of so much I have done. It feels very happy today, but these are the accomplishments, achievements which you gain actually with your focus, with your commitment, and most important is your hard work. Let me tell you, nothing comes for free. If you feel you are here and you will go through the exam and you will clear it, I am sorry. Boys and girls, you have to put in a extremely I would say efforts to reach out to that level. You see the selection base. How many people appear for, if I talk of military, for NDA or IMA, you see the entire country appears for this. And how many vacancies? Only 500. You go to SSB, each SSB has got 40 children, 40 students, 50 candidates come there. How many get selected? 0. How many get selected? 1. When I went to SSB in 1982, Bhopal, first time I went, only 1 person got selected. Sorry, 2. One was me, my chest number was 8, and the other one was chest number 7. Only 2 of us got selected out of 40. And very good guys. Never somebody realized a 5 feet, 8 inches tall can also join the army. Otherwise, what perception we have today, you have to be very broad, very strong, tall, handsome, dark looking, and physically very fit. I'm sorry. Boys and girls, you require acumen here. And this comes not because of intelligence. It comes with commitment, with dedication and hard work. You write it on a paper every day. Hard work pays. And if you work hard, you will be a very successful person, irrespective of the profession you adopt, irrespective of whichever profession you go. Right? So that is the most important part of your journey. So, and this is the launch pad. You are fortunate. You have a civil services officer who heads this institution. She has gone through all this, what I am talking about. She understands what hard work means. You see your parents, how much hard, your mom, your mother, the amount of hard work she puts in to bring you here. Your father, the amount of hard work which he has put in to send you to this institution. And because he has got aspirations more than you. Tomorrow if you become an army officer or an air force officer or naval officer or a IPS, more than you, he will be happy or she will be happy. You got my point? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Don't sleep, anyone. I hope nobody is sleeping here. Okay. So, what is your age? 16, 17? You just finished your 12th? And therefore, you are a threshold of making a decision. Extremely important. If you choose, irrespective, if you choose to join the defense forces or the civil services, it is not just about a job. It is about dedicating yourself towards nation building. अपने आप को समर्पित करना पड़ेगा इस राष्ट्र की प्रोग्रेस के लिए, joining the growth story of our country. I am not at all being political, let me tell you. I am telling you with experience. Army is absolutely apolitical, or defense forces is. I don't know who is the prime minister, or I don't know who is the defense minister, irrespective. I know who's my commander. We don't see this. So therefore, you should be looking in that direction. And how does it come? You have to inculcate within yourself, upbringing and discipline. That is one of the most important part of today. And discipline you have to build in the army. It comes from home. You get up in the morning, do up your bed. If you get up at 11 o'clock, sorry, I'll tell you my story. I used to get up at 5 o'clock, go for a run. My parents are sleeping. My father used to go to office at 6:30. 5 o'clock I used to run. उस वक्त कोहरा भी होता था, अंधेरा भी होता था. 5:30, 6 बजे तक हम वापस आ जाते थे दौड़ कर, और तब तक हमारे फादर तैयार हो रहे होते. All right. And thereafter I used to go to my college or wherever I used to study. So get up early, most important. Not that, we get up at 11 o'clock, half the day is gone, you missed. You see, so much you have missed. How many of you saw the sun rising today? Hands up. I'm so happy. How many of you? The sunrise. What's your name? Yeah, please. Anmol, what time did you get up?
5 o'clock.
Very good. I'm so happy. Good. So get into this habit of getting up early. Sleep early. I know in the technology world, half the time is spent on the mobile. Yes or no? Yeah? Keep it aside. हमारे time पे पता ही नहीं था. Nothing, no Google map was there, no mobile, nothing. I went to Siachen in 1988. None of you were born. Probably, I don't know, the teachers were also born that time. 1980, I'm talking of 1988. And in Siachen, I'll just narrate this story for you. You people have read about Siachen Glacier? Yeah, it is in Ladakh. All right. It is the Indo-Pakistan border, and this of course came up in 1984, and thereafter both the countries are eyeball to eyeball contact, looking the way opposite each other. In Siachen, you have to work at night because there is an enemy on the other side, and it's an ever alert enemy. So what do you fight in Siachen? I'm talking of 1988. You fight against the weather. Even today, you fight against the weather. You fight against an ever alert enemy who will spare no one, irrespective. Whether you take a white flag or a red flag or a green flag, it doesn't bother. He will fire, and so are we. We also don't bother whether he brings a white flag or a green flag or a white flag or a yellow flag, right? So their discipline has to be absolutely on top. You miss it and you're finished. I'll just give you an example. She gracious of her, she talked about my 2 gallantry awards. I'll talk of Sena Medal, which I got in 1988. Everything used to come on your back in Siachen that time. From the base, it used to come by helicopter to a particular place. From there, even the kerosene oil, there was no gas and all. Today there are pipelines in the home. So kerosene oil, food, everything used to come through man pack, and we have to get it. So the troops are less. So if at times it used to happen where the dal is there or chawal is not there, chawal is there, sabji to bhul jao, shalgam is there, none of you like shalgam, I can bet. All right. So this is what used to be the life there. And we had to get up at early morning. So what happened was one day, and there was a track which was coming down. From there our boys used to go, and it is actually a mountain of ice, and when the sun comes out it becomes very soft. So when you walk on that, there are places where crevices, you heard of crevices, khai jisko bolte hain. If you walk on that, you don't know where the bloody khai is, and especially when it has snowed. So there are ropes put in, ropes also get buried. वो रस्सियां लगी हुई हैं, वो भी नीचे दब जाती हैं जब बर्फ गिरती है अच्छे से. तो क्या किया करते हैं हम लोग कि फिर वो हम लोग के पास वो देखा होगा पहाड़ डंडा लेकर के चलते थे. तो एक हम ना, since I was the company commander, so I was on top. My boys, 6 of them went down to there was another post down below. पीछे से रात में आ जाते थे, तो आ रहे थे. I was also sitting in the morning at 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock. देख रहे थे वो आ रहे हैं. तब तक एक एवलॉन्च आया. एवलॉन्च मालूम है आप लोगों को? डू यू नो व्हाट इज एन एवलॉन्च? इट्स अ आइस विच कम्स, यू पिक्चरों में देखना एवलॉन्च कैसे आता है. एंड इट्स landslides what you see today in Uttarakhand and all, and the avalanche came. 2 of my boys got washed away. So the boys came up. जो 4 बचे वो दौड़ के ऊपर आए. क्या हुआ सर? वो एवलॉन्च आया और भीमराव वानखेड़े जो है वो गायब हो गया. आई एम फ्रॉम महार रेजिमेंट, माय बॉयज आर मराठी, राइट? सो सर वो मिल नहीं रहा है, एंड आई कैन सी देम. इट्स ऑल वाइट, एब्सोल्युटली वाइट. ऐसे पहाड़ ऐसे इतने सुंदर लगते हैं देखने में. पहाड़ दिख रहा है, दिख ही नहीं रहा कहाँ गया वो. अब फटाफट हम लोगों ने अपना, वी हैव एवरी इक्विपमेंट एंड ऑल दैट, हमने पहना, गॉगल्स वगैरह सब लगाए. दिन का टाइम, नाउ डे टाइम. नाउ देयर इज एन पाकिस्तान एनिमी ऑल्सो सिटिंग एट द heavy machine gun. I am not talking of light machine gun or medium. He sits with bloody heavy machine guns. He is also watching. Weather is bad and sun has come out. And why we used to go so early? One is dark night is there. There is no moonlit also. No. We used to sunset and sunrise. You know this? What's your name? What is sunset? When sun goes down. Okay, so when the moon goes down, it becomes more dark. We used to move during that time because enemy is watching at us. अब तो दिन हो गया. दिन में तो मूवमेंट बंद था. हम गए, सुबह 7 बजे से खोजना शुरू किया उसी एरिया में. कितना 500-400 मीटर का वो चढ़ाई थी बस, और साइड में. और हम लोग ट्रैक छोड़ते नहीं है इसमें, क्योंकि यू डोंट नो वेयर इज द क्रेविस. सो खोजना शुरू किया. शाम को ना 4 बज गए. कोई खाना नहीं, जैसे आपने अभी खाना नहीं खाया ना, तो हमने भी नहीं खाया वैसे. तो कोई खाना नहीं, कोई पानी नहीं. हम खोज रहे हैं उसको, जवान. और कैसे है यार वो जवान था, कैसे जा सकता है, तो हमारे साथ का है. खोजते रहे, आंखें लाल हो गई. सूरज में ना जब बर्फ़ की वो पड़ती है ना, लाइट पड़ती है, तो हम लोग कॉर्टिना गॉगल्स पहनते हैं. वहाँ पे देखा होगा जब बर्फ़ में जाते तो ऐसे. दैट इज़ बेसिकली यूवी रेज को काटने के लिए. अब खोजते रहे, मिला ही नहीं यार. अब क्या करें? हाउ कैन यू टेल डाउन बिलो दैट आई हैव लॉस्ट माई बॉय, आई एम नॉट वर्थ माई सॉल्ट? यस और नो? वाई आर यू सो सीरियस? या नाउ इज बेटर. सो खोजने के बाद 4 बज गए, 5 बज गए. मैं कहा यार अब तो लाइट भी कम होने लगा. वहाँ पे लाइट 8 साढ़े 8 बजे तक ब्राइट रहता है. सब वाइट ही वाइट है. थक गए लड़के बिल्कुल. सडनली ना हम लोग जब एक साइड में थे, और डर ये भी है कि पाकिस्तान भी देख रहा है, फायर नहीं कर रहा, बट हमारी भी जो अपने वेपन्स थे वो लगे थे. उनको ही पता था कि एक गोली फायर हुई तो ये गिरा देंगे हमको. ठीक है, आपको वो भी इंसिडेंट मैं बताऊंगा इसके बाद. इसके बाद क्या हुआ कि एक आवाज आई, बचाओ. आवाज कहाँ से आई, सब कुछ साफ सफेद है, कुछ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है यहाँ पे, कैसे बच्चा को, इसको कौन है ये, कैसे साहब आवाज आई है, ऐसे आवाज खोजो अभी, धीरे धीरे करके आवाज, तो इधर से भी हमने आवाज की कौन है, तो फिर आवाज आई बचाओ कि सर इस तरफ से आई, अब बर्फ ही बर्फ है, कहीं दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, ना सारा कोई गड्ढा दिखाई दे रहा है ना कुछ। सडनली एक वो आवाज, हम एक तरफ डायरेक्शन में गए, वी टुक रिस्क कि अगर हम ट्रैक से साइड में जाएंगे तो इसमें से भी कोई गिर सकता है, नहीं गिर सकता, करते करते वी कुड रीच दैट crevice, and boys and girls or ladies and gentlemen, I must tell you that crevice was bigger than this room, and it was deep, about 50 feet down. That boy had gone there, and the best part was this boy was standing like this, all this thing was torn, फट गया था ये पूरा, अब दिखाई दे रहा है, अब कैसे उसको निकालें, जब हमने कहा दिख जाएगा हम निकाल लेंगे. So what we did was, we had those mountain ropes, crampon, what you call, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, carabiner and all that. So one boy went down, he clipped that boy, उसको ऐसे करके पकड़ा, and then we all pulled him up in that particular this thing, and then he came up, and that was the time this boy was saved. So you know, these are the small incidents, and of course that boy was sent down, and you can't send them, there is no way to send him. कैसे जाएगा वो पैदल, इतनी ऊपर है हम लोग, इतनी at the 20,000 feet. Then next day morning स्ट्रेचर में उसको बांधा, उसको धीरे धीरे फिसला के एक हेलीपैड पे गए, वहाँ हेलीपैड से जो हेलीकॉप्टर सियाचिन बेस से आता था, फिर उसमें उसको लोड किया. Then that boy he was evacuated to Leh hospital, then to Chandigarh, and today that boy is alive. So that is biggest satisfaction one gets. Now what lessons do we draw out from here? That is very important to understand. As a commander, I was a company commander there, and so what lessons do you draw? This story was not a story, it is to draw out lessons from how you become a leader. One, the risk-taking ability. How much risk should I take? At the cost of saving one chap, I can't lose my 6 men. That is one part. But yes, that is the place where I took that kind of a risk. Second, discipline. Excellent. Very, very important. Let there be no one without my orders went right or left. Third, determination. I have to bloody well get that boy out. There is no question. Fourth, fearlessness. Let Pakistan do anything. Let me see how does he do that. Once he fired at my boy, and my boy got shot. And what I did, I destroyed one of the posts of theirs. And on the radio set, it was recorded, and it came to army headquarters. ये पता नहीं कौन कैप्टन साहब पागल आ गया, यहाँ जान लेनी मुश्किल कर दी हमारी. I fired 570 rounds on that particular post to destroy that particular post in Siachen. No one is going to ask you. So when you see what Indian Army, आपको दिखाई नहीं देगा कहाँ करें, unless you go there and see. पहाड़ों पे क्या फायर हो रहा है, आपको क्या पता है आज क्या चल रहा है वहां पे. एक गोली फायर होती है, पूरी एलसी एक्टिवेट हो जाता है, एक तरफ से शुरू होता है. ठीक है. सो यू नो, दीज आर दी लेसन्स यू ड्रॉ एज अ लीडर. आई डिड नॉट सकम टू कि रोने लग जाएं कि जी ये हो गया, मेरा लड़का चला गया, फलाना. नो क्वेश्चन. दैट्स my morale will be down. My boys are there. I'm fighting a war. I'm not fighting a boxing match here. So these are the things that, ladies and gentlemen, you have to draw out from such kind of stories which I am talking of. And that is where, as a leader, you have to inculcate discipline in yourself. Discipline is self-discipline. Helmet nahi pehenna, koi nahi dekh raha. You know, 100 wrongs doesn't make one right. And one right makes 100 bloody wrongs. आप सही काम कर रहे हैं, बाकी पूरी क्लास नहीं कर रही है, आप सही हैं. पूरी क्लास गलत काम कर रही है, आप नहीं कर रहे हो, पूरी क्लास गलत है. साइकिल पे आप स्कूटर पे, मोटरसाइकिल पे हम जाते हैं, हेलमेट लगाना बोला है, लेकिन हेलमेट हाथ में इधर लटका हुआ है, पीछे वाले ने भी ऐसे पकड़ा हुआ है, किस लिए? आपकी सेफ्टी के लिए. दैट इज डिसिप्लिन, दैट इज सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन. हैव यू एवर सीन एन आर्मी चैप विदाउट अ हेलमेट? हमारे यहां तो घुस ही नहीं सकते आप मिलिट्री कंटोनमेंट्स में. You got my point. So this is the quality of discipline that you have to inculcate into yourself. Army is a way of life. It is not a job. ये नौकरी नहीं है. अगर आप मिलिट्री में जाएंगे या आप if you go into civil services or wherever, it is not a job. It is a commitment. And you are contributing to the nation, the growth story of a country. You are one of the members in the growth story. मैं कहानी सुनाई जो 5 लड़के थे, उसमें से आप भी एक हैं. For the growth story of the country, when you join this kind of an organization. इसीलिए आप देखना, people are working till 12 o'clock at night. कोई पूछ नहीं ना उनको, कोई नहीं बोलता. हम लोग ऑफिस में बैठते हैं, कभी कभी in Ministry of Defense or even in the office, we work 12 o'clock. As I mentioned, there is no substitute to hard work. You have to work hard. You have to be professionally competent. Then only you will survive in this competitive world. Value time. That is very, very important. Time ko mat waste karo. As a young leader, or a future leader, you have to value time. ये समय निकल गया, gone. आप नहीं वापस ला सकते उसको. अपना टाइम, अपना रूटीन बनाओ. मैंने बोला उठते ही बेड, अगर आप उठते ही अपना बेड साफ करके बढ़िया से रख लोगे. हम लोग करते थे एकेडमी में 5 o'clock. हम लोग सुबह पीटी हमारी 6 बजे होती थी. इंडियन मिलिट्री एकेडमी में 6 बजे पीटी से पहले 5:30 उठ के, उससे पहले शेव शूव करके हम लोग अपना बेड लगा करके फिर जाते थे, क्योंकि पीछे से इंस्पेक्शन होता था कि बेड लगा है कि नहीं लगा. फिर मुर्गा बन जाओ वहाँ पर. वापस आते ही आपको मुर्गा बनाते थे, रोलिंग कराते थे. राइट? So, how to become leaders. That is also one of the more important parts I want to highlight. I hope I'm within time. Yeah. No, I'm very well. How to become leaders. It is not about giving orders. हम लोग कैसे, क्यों, why Indian Army or the armed forces are the best in the world? Yeah, please. Why Indian Army is best in the world? Okay, you have spoken, no? You speak.
Because of the discipline they show.
One.
Because of the commitment they give to the mission.
Good.
And because we are so fearless.
Careless?
Fearless.
Fearless. Okay. मैंने careless सुना. Good, Shaba. What's your name?
Karthik.
Well done. Right. You know why it is so committed in the Indian Army and all? Na beta? Because of the leaders? You see, yeah.
So because of the dedication to save the nation.
Save the nation तो है ही नहीं है उसमें, हमें तो nation तो save. Yeah, please. All right. Okay, good. Yeah, it is a commitment what he said. It's a commitment. Very good. Thank you. Anyone from behind? Yeah. No, your front row. I ask you. Anyone from behind? Yes. सबसे last वाला. This row, the girl with chashma. You can see me. I can see you. Yeah, last one. Yeah. Don't look right, left. Please. Yeah, get up. Okay. Sorry, commitment towards the nation. Well done. Okay. Right. I'll tell you. Please sit down. You see, I have seen Pakistan Army also on the borders and all. We stay with them. We are part of them. When we get commission, we first 2 months we stay with our jawans. आपने कभी भी मिलिट्री देखी होगी, जवान के साथ ऑफिसर जरूर देखा होगा, कहीं भी देख लेना, किसी भी गाड़ी में देख लेना. ऑफिसर मीन्स, अगर हम ऑफिसर तो वैसे कम है, जेसीओज होगा उनके साथ में. सो दे वर्क इन टीम्स. सो हियर यू आर नॉट आई, you are we. You understand? I am part of them. And when you are part of them, their affiliation is much more than my family members. Like my boy, I commanded 17 Mahar Regiment. I am from 3 Mahar Regiment. General K.V. Krishna Rao was from the battalion. Matlab, the relations I have today, even after retirement, is more than my brothers and sisters. If he gives me a call, I stop everything and I have to see to it ki that work is done or no. We stay with them. आप हमेशा देखना, ये advantage. We are part of them. When the food is distributed in the afternoon in the post, I will not have food till such time the langar is open. Till such time that my jawan has had food. हमारे में ये culture है. So you have to look after your men. You command. That is the most important part, and that is the strength of this beautiful Indian Army. You understood? Yes, sir. आवाज नहीं आई. Yes, sir. Well done. Very nice. Okay. Then I'll talk about, how many of you play games? Just raise your hands. All work and no play makes, Jack a dull boy or a dull girl. So how many of you play games? All of you should play games. Develop hobbies. That you will not realize today. You will realize later. What I learned in my school, I still, when I went to the Indian Army, I still used those things and I still carry with them. Develop beautiful hobbies, whether it is any hobby, whether it is singing, playing any instrument, playing any games. You have to, that is what is called as work-life balance. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So you have to develop hobbies, and when you develop hobbies, it is a part of your personality development. At least you are, like today in our country, people, like you would have heard in the corporate, people said 90 hours a week, or 120, 70 hours a week. My son works in Canada. They have to give their weekend program. कि weekend पे क्या करोगे, right? So they also have a lot of hobbies like fishing है, या playing games है, या collection of stamps है. It expands your horizon. It's very important. So therefore, it is very, very essential to have a kind of a hobby. What you learn here, or you studied here, is what is called as education. What is the difference between education and learning? Anyone? Okay, good. That's a way to put across. Yeah, please. Absolutely right. Very well done. What's your name? You will go very high in life. Okay. Education is 16 का पहाड़ा सीख लिया हमने, 16 कम 16, 16 दूनी 32. ऑल राइट. लेकिन उस पहाड़े को इस्तेमाल कहाँ करेंगे? अलजेब्रा में पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज कर ली, लेकिन यूज कहाँ करेंगे? हाउ डू यू अप्लाई दैट? Learning, education is in these classrooms, in such kind of areas, or your school or your college. But learning is an everyday process. Every day you learn. You start from home, रास्ते में कुछ देखा, that is what you have learned. How do you apply yourself? So therefore, we do not say कि हमें सब पता है, हम पारंगत हैं बिल्कुल. आप रोज सीखते हो, हर एक से सीखते हो. आज मैं बता रहा हूं, हो सकता है कुछ आपने भी इसको इम्बाइब करोगे, मैडम बताएंगे या टीचर्स बताएंगे, उसको भी आप सीखोगे. हाउ डू यू अप्लाई दैट? एंड द लर्निंग इज टिल सच टाइम यू आर इन दिस वर्ल्ड. It is on a daily, day-to-day process. Every moment you learn something. All right. So keep your horizons always open. That is another part. And yeah, I take you back to my previous conversation, and that was, when I talked about why this organization is so beautiful, so Indian Army is best in the world. Why do I say that? Anyone who's aware of Chetwood motto? Anyone? There's a motto in the Indian Military Academy, and it says that, yeah, the safety and honor of your country comes first, always and every time. That is the first thing. The safety and honor of your country comes first, always. Why? So this is one. Next, the safety, the care of your men comes second, always and every time. And the comfort of yours comes last, always and every time. This is what is called the Chetwood motto. All right. So सबसे पहले देश है, उसके बाद आपकी the men you command and your own interest or your own comfort come last, always and every time. So that is the reason why you will never find the military people moving alone. They always move in groups, and that is why when we talk of there is a army on the borders and we are safe, it is essentially for this purpose. So it's ingrained in us right from the beginning, and that is exactly what I talked of, a way of life. Now, I talked about the प्रोफेशनल कॉम्पिटेंस और नॉलेज, उस पर गर्व नहीं करना है. नॉलेज जो है ना, हर एक के पास थोड़ा है, बड़ा है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, थोड़ा कम है, ठीक है. मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ योर एटीट्यूड टू डू थिंग्स. अरे ये मेरे से नहीं हो सकता यार, थक गए, अब नहीं हो पाएगा, ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा मेरे. इट इज़ द एटीट्यूड. डोंट नेवर गिव अप. रेजिलियंस एक चीज होती है. बॉल होते हैं ना ऐसे, यो देखा ना, यो मारो तो ऐसे ऐसे वापस आता है. रेजिलियंस, हाउ यू कम अप अगेन. सो दैट इज व्हाट इज द स्ट्रेंथ यू शुड डेवलप इन योर सेल्फ. एज फार एज द एटीट्यूड इज कंसर्न, ऑलवेज ensure it can be developed, and these are all doable things. Nothing I am telling you, there's no rocket science at all. These are all doable at your end, and you will be able to do it if you follow this. You understand? So it is here, 6 inches between your ears is your attitude. Attitude is here. And then next, along with the attitude, take pride in whatever you do. उसमें बड़ा गर्व होना चाहिए. जो भी हम खाना भी बना रहे हैं, if you become a chef tomorrow, it should be, see how beautifully Ranbir Barar really explains it. और फराह खान का जो अभी एक शुरू हुआ है, यूट्यूब पे आता है, सो है ना, क्या बोलते हैं, हाँ ठीक है. सो इट इज सो ब्यूटिफुल. लाफ्टर शेफ इज अनदर चैनल. आई हैवंट सीन इट, बट या आई हैव सीन इट. या सो टेक प्राइड इन व्हाटएवर यू डू. एंड इफ यू टेक प्राइड इन एक हमारे फ्रेंड्स है, हिज सन इज इनटू प्री ओन्ड वॉचेस. घड़ियां होती हैं प्री ओन्ड, उसका वो आजकल एंटरप्रेन्योर बना हुआ है. तो कोई भी चीज़ आप करो, उसमें एक तो बड़ा गर्व होना चाहिए कि मैं ये कर रहा हूं. शर्म नहीं है किसी चीज़ में. डिग्निटी ऑफ लेबर जिसे हम कहते हैं. कोई भी चीज़ करो, उसमें यू शुड टेक प्राइड इन डूइंग पर्टिकुलर थिंग, राइट. एंड व्हेन यू टेक प्राइड इन डूइंग, इवन इफ यू ड्रेस अप, इट टॉक्स अबाउट योर पर्सनैलिटी. इट टॉक्स अबाउट यू, योर एटीट्यूड. आधी शर्ट हमारी बाहर निकली है, आधी शर्ट, टाई पहनी, टाई यहाँ लटक रही है. इट डजंट, पीपल लाइक अस कैन मेक आउट विद इन नो टाइम. आई कैन मतलब वी कैन राइट अ कंप्लीट पेन पिक्चर ऑफ योर्स. यू कैन मेक आउट. हाँ, बाल इधर से उधर उड़े हुए ऐसे, है ना. सो एज अ पर्सनैलिटी. एंड देन व्हेन यू वॉक ऑन द रोड, it is like, we were taught in the in the schools, when you walk on the road, you should walk as if you own the road. डरना थोड़ी किसी से, ये सड़क मेरे बाप की है बिल्कुल, ठीक है, डरना नहीं है. When you walk, chin up and walk like this is my country, my road. These are small examples I am giving you to give you lessons where you all can adopt. No one is interested whether you are wearing a branded watch or something. Even if you are wearing a normal this thing, wear it in style. एक अपना attitude बहुत ज़रूरी है ना, एक नखरा होना चाहिए थोड़ा सा. It is very important, and keep that nakhra with you. All right, because that is what you are. If you copy Ajay Singh Chauhan, you can't become Ajay Singh Chauhan because Ajay Singh Chauhan, he is Ajay Singh Chauhan, है ना? हाँ. So थोड़ा सा नखरा होना चाहिए अपना और attitude होना चाहिए. These are your personalities which will make a difference, because you know the military professional, when you talk of what are the traits in a military professional? Sorry, what are the traits? Dedication तो तुम्हारे में भी है, तुम भी पढ़ रहे हो. अलग हटके क्या है? Selflessness. Lead by personal example. जहां से हम खड़े होते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है. बड़ा मुश्किल है. JNK में या कहीं पर भी मिलिट्री जो इजराइल में हो रहा है, ये जो लो इंटेंसिटी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट जिसको हम कहते हैं, कश्मीर में टेररिस्ट आते हैं, कैसे होगा हम लोग, हाउ डू वी फाइट? अगर हम बोल दें बगल वाले में शेर आया हुआ है और उसको मारना है, तो कैसे मारेंगे? या यू टेल मी if a share is there in the next room, so how will you kill it? Yeah, my eyes are, please stand. Yeah, how will you kill it? नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है बेटा, सुनाई दे रहा है. You can take this. Yes, how do you kill a share?
Sir, firstly, sir, we will make a plan of killing that.
वो तो भाग जाएगा वो.
Then we'll make a group of, then
भाई शेर कमरे में आ गया तो क्या करोगे? दाहिने देखो बाएं देखो, कौन सा रास्ता सही है, निकल लो, क्योंकि भाई जो करेगा वो शेर ही करेगा उसके बाद. Okay, so thank you, good. You know what I was telling you, when you lead from the front, it is very difficult to motivate people when there is a life and death का सवाल. It is very difficult to motivate people, and that you motivate people with personal example. अगर रस्से पे चढ़ना है और L शेप में चढ़ना है तो पहले खुद चढ़ के दिखाओ, तभी होगा, तभी वो जवान चढ़ेगा. नहीं तो जवान कहेगा साहब आप, वो तो उसको मन में बोलेगा यार हाँ वो खुद नहीं कर पाएगा यार, हमसे करवा रहा है बताओ. So therefore when you, और हमारे स्पेशली in the armed forces we are taught this. हम जब यूनिट में जाते हैं एज अ सेकेंड लेफ्टिनेंट तो हमारे यहाँ 5 माइल की दौड़ होती है, और 5 माइल की दौड़ में हम गए किस साल के, वो जवान है 35 साल का, आपसे आगे, आपको आगे आना है उसके, तभी आप यू कैन प्रूव योर सेल्फ आई एम बेटर देन यू. खाली अंग्रेजी बोलने से बेटर नहीं हो सकते. यू हैव टू प्रूव दैट बॉय कि भाई देखो ऐसा है कि आई एम बेटर देन यू इन फिजिकल, मेंटल and all my faculties, and that is when he will listen to you, and that is exactly what we do. So when we get into the villages where we don't know where the terrorist is hiding, how do you get into that village? Mere going into the village itself is very 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 threatening. कहीं से भी गोली फायर हो जाएगी, पता नहीं कहाँ से आएगी. So that is where your leadership comes in. And that is where when you say you lead by personal example, that is where it comes in. So when you become leaders for tomorrow, you have to lead by personal example. ठीक है? खुद मैकडॉनल्ड्स खा रहे हो और उसको जो है वो हल्दी वो खिला रहे हो पूरी सब्जी, वो ठीक नहीं है ना. As I mentioned, we open the same langar, हम उसी लंगर से खाना खाते हैं. Yes, when we stay with them. When we don't stay with them, we in a peace station, we have a message and all that what we have. We rub shoulders with our men. और जब फुटबॉल मैच देखा ना, जब टीम कैसे कोहेसिव रहती है, जब कंधे से कंधा लग के लड़ता है ना, जब लड़ते हैं, जब टफ कंडीशंस में, वो तभी बॉन्डिंग आती है, तभी बॉनहोमी आती है, तभी कमरेडरी आती है. ऑलराइट, सो व्हेन वी रब शोल्डर्स विद आवर मेन इन टफ एरियाज, थक गए हम भी, वो पहाड़ पे चढ़ रहे हैं. बटालिक में आई वाज कमांडिंग ऑफिसर इन बटालिक सेक्टर, आई वाज कमांडिंग माय यूनिट. अगर ऊपर जाना है, उस पोस्ट पे जाना है, 54 पोस्ट थे हमारे पास. 13,000 से शुरू होते थे, 18,000 तक जाते थे. आई हैव टू विजिट ईच पोस्ट. 54 पोस्ट. जवान बैठे हुए हैं, 3 कहीं 4 जवान बैठे हैं, कहीं 5 जवान बैठे हैं. खाना पहुंच रहा है कि नहीं पहुंच रहा, पानी मिल रहा है कि नहीं मिल रहा. सो जब जाओ, उसको ही पता, साहब जो है मतलब अब थक गया है, साहब घोड़ा बैठ जाओ. घोड़ा घड़ा हम नहीं बैठते वाले, साथ में चलो, वो साथ चलता है. ही इज ऑल्सो सिंह, साहब फिट है हमारा, उसको भी प्राइड मिलता है ना. उसको भी जाके बात करते हैं वो कमरे में, जब लंगर में बैठते हैं ना, खाना खाते हैं. आज गए थे साहब, चौहान साहब थे हमारे साथ. अरे यार क्या चक्कर, क्या बंदा है यार, वो तो छोड़ी ना, हम थक गए सालों, वो नहीं थका. सो तब मजा आता है उस काम का. आज भी फोन आते हैं, 50 फोन आएंगे. आज अभी बैठा थे यहाँ पर कि साहब वही नौकरी लगा दो. ठीक है. सो द पॉइंट इज कि दैट इज हाउ यू डेवलप योर camaraderie. So I think my time is, acha, I can, okay. So next is, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, one more habit I would like you to inculcate is reading, and read books. कुछ भी पढ़ो, पेपर पढ़ो, आर्टिकल जरूर पढ़ो. उसमें फोटो नहीं देखनी कहाँ पर सेल लगी है. आधे लोग तो वही देखते हैं. तुम लोग मोबाइल में देखते हो कौन सा कहाँ पे सेल चलने वाली है, कहाँ शुरू, मम्मी है कि ये शुरू हो रही है, चलो जल्दी अभी वहाँ पे. रीड न्यूज़पेपर्स, एंड यू आर द राइट पीपल टू रीड न्यूज़पेपर्स, बिकॉज यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट whether it is English, irrespective of the language which you see. Even on the mobile, draw out in short, like news. You should know what is current. Everything these teachers cannot tell you. They can only tell what is there in the pressy. So these are the things which is extracurricular. You have to know in addition to what you have read. All right? Because when you appear for the competitions, when you appear for your exam, when you go for your interviews, question can be asked from any world. There is no fixed this thing कि हमको इसी का question पूछना है. Political science क्योंकि हमने MA में ली थी, is my subject. For civil services, this question will be asked. People will ask you anything. Okay, you're from Hyderabad. Where are you from? कुठले तुम्ही? मराठी येते ना तुला? Okay, देखो. Now this is another. I am a Rajasthani. I stayed in UP. I know मराठी चांगलं येते ना मला. Yeah. So I learned Marathi where? Who taught me? Indian Army taught me Marathi. Otherwise, in Gorakhpur it is pure Hindi. It is pure Bhojpuri. But it was when I joined the Indian military, I learned this beautiful language of Marathi. Because my troops are from Maharashtra. And similarly, for when you join Gurkhas, you have to learn Gurkhali. When you join Maratha regiment, you have to learn this beautiful language of Marathi. Then only you can make a connect. See, अभी वो समझ गई, अब जाके घर में ही बोलेगी, अरे उनको लाए थे उन्होंने मराठी में. Yes or no? अब दोस्त हो गए हम दोनों. Yeah. So what is the most important element of a military leader which you should imbibe on? As a commander, as a leader, I am not talking only of a leader. You should have a pure heart. All right? And a brave heart. Ability to take risk. When I talk of pure heart, आई मे बी वेरी नास्टी. जब हम काम करते हैं अपना, डांटने में हम कभी शर्म नहीं करते. आई कैन, गुस्सा हमें भी आती है. If the work is not done as per my this thing, as per the order, definitely I have them nice and proper, but I don't carry it home. At night my hard disk is formatted. Next day morning, if I meet the same guy, it will be with the same old connect. He also understands. I don't carry these grudges home. अरे अच्छा अच्छा तूने आ जा, तेरे को मैं बताऊंगा तब. These are all professional, and unless there is conflict between a leader and the people who are being led, unless there is a conflict or a exchange of ideas, new things will not emerge. नहीं तो फिर वो तो यस बॉस वाला मामला हो जाएगा. लाइट तो नहीं जल रही है. हाँ सर नहीं जल रही है, अंधेरा है बिल्कुल इस कमरे में, है ना. तो बिकॉज आई सेड लाइट जल रही है, जल रही है ना. तो इसने भी हाँ बोला. कौन सी लाइट जल रही है ये नहीं बताया इसने. हाँ, द पॉइंट इज दैट यू डोंट हैव टू बी अ यस बॉस पर्सन. स्पीक योर माइंड विथ कन्विक्शन, not with vengeance. You must speak out your mind when you are a leader and tell your boys you are not like this and not like that. When you do this, he will also see कि नहीं यार, he's not only he's not favoring Marathi and not favoring and favoring a Rajasthani student. You have to be, he has to be balanced. As a leader, you can't be biased. Because he is from my creed, my state, my district, my caste, so I will favor him. Sorry, you can't. You will be ejected out. Straight away, you will be ejected out. You have to be balanced, because when in an organization where you people are aspiring to go in, it is a multi-state people. It's an all India, all class composition. And therefore it is, ladies and gentlemen, it is imperative that you have to be just. You have to be, I would say, absolutely balanced in your decision-making process. You can have an error of judgment, but you should not have the error of intent. Must understand this. एरर ऑफ जजमेंट हमें दिखा नहीं यार, हम गिर पड़े, लेकिन जान के कूदेंगे, टांग तोड़ेंगे अपनी. एरर ऑफ जजमेंट इज, आई कुड नॉट सी दैट द डोर वाज क्लोज्ड एंड दैट इज द रीजन आई बैंग्ड इनटू द डोर. बट एरर ऑफ इंटेंट इज, डिस्पाइट द ब्लडी डोर बीइंग क्लोज्ड, आई न्यू इट, स्टिल आई ब्रोक दैट ग्लास. सो दैट इज एरर ऑफ इंटेंट. You must understand this difference. गलती सबसे होती है, हमसे भी रोज गलती होती है. एरर ऑफ इंटेंट नहीं था, एरर ऑफ जजमेंट था. हम समझ नहीं पाए, हम गाड़ी चला रहे थे, दिखा नहीं हमको, सडनली वो आ गया तो हमारी एक्सीडेंट हो गई, उसकी भी चोट लगी. तो दैट वाज एरर ऑफ जजमेंट. बट हाँ, एक गाड़ी जा रही है, इसको सारे को मारना है, पीछे से जाके जोर से मार, दैट इज एरर ऑफ इंटेंट एंड दैट इज अनपार्डनेबल. यू अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? यस और नो? ओके, गुड. So, I think I'll wind up and ask questions now, because I can go on till probably even evening, but I'm standing between you and your lunch, so I will not, trouble you on that particular account. But I would, in the end, I would like to tell you that whatever path you choose, whether it is civil services, with any profession you go after this, or any other noble field, it is very important to live with pride, to live with purpose. Pride means इज्जत से रहो वहाँ पे, है ना, जब ताकि तुम when you walk on the road, चिन ऊपर करके छुपा के नहीं चलना है. हाँ, inculcate discipline, बहुत जरूरी है. आज से शुरू करो. शूज़ के, किसी के शूज़ के लेस खुले हुए, जूता पहन चले आ रहे हैं. हाँ, सो जब जूते में वो लेस है, माइट एज वेल ट्राई इट, इट लुक गुड, आप ही को अच्छा लगेगा. शर्ट आगे बाहर निकली है, टाई यहाँ लटक रही है. Most of us do it. I also see there in Delhi. Don't do it. You people are such beautiful, such handsome, such pretty looking young generation, and I feel very privileged to be, here to be speaking to this beautiful gathering. Serve selflessly and lead fearlessly. Somebody talked of fearlessness. You talked about fearlessness? Somebody talked, yeah. So, and remember, in the service of the nation, there is no greater honor. अगर आप नेशन के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, उससे बढ़कर कोई ऑनर नहीं हो सकती है, रिस्पेक्ट नहीं हो सकती है. So now with this, I think I'll stop, because I can go on and giving you number of examples and number of anecdotes on various issues, but I am absolutely open to ask. You can ask me questions, should you have any. Yes. Anyone, any question? Yeah, please.
Sir, you said that being a fearless is quite important. So will you please tell everyone that how we can be fearless?
Okay. He's asked me a question, those who could not hear behind. Being fearless is important, but how you can be fearless? एग्ज़ाम देते हैं ना हम एग्ज़ाम, अगर हमने खूब पढ़ाई करी हुई है, हम किसी पेपर से नहीं डरेंगे. सब आता है यार, हमने I did not do, I am not that ICSC type, ना. I was from UP board. हाँ, वहाँ पे गद्य संकलन, पद संकलन सब पढ़ाते थे, हिंदी से लेकर के, है ना. यूपी बोर्ड में किसी ने यूपी बोर्ड से किया? हाथ खड़ा करें. उत्तर यूपी बोर्ड, नो. ओके, ठीक है. सो अगर आपने अपने सब्जेक्ट पे मास्टरी करी हुई है ना, इफ यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट, ट्रेन्ड वेल, इफ यू हैव ट्रेन्ड वेल योरसेल्फ वेल and your troops well, if you are confident, if you are trained well, I think you are fearless. I'll give you example here. I'll take you to Kashmir. I have a team with me. I have to clear a room, or I know the terrorist is there. My boys are trained well. They believe in me. I have the requisite weapon systems which I require. I have the wherewithal to reach that particular place, and I know my boys who can make a difference there. I think I am fearless here. Why should I worry? Aane to, so what? And let me tell you, somebody talked of make a plan. In the defense forces or any, you make a plan, and the first bullet fired, we make hundreds of plans, we make hundreds of contingencies. The moment first bullet is fired in an operation, all these plans go for a 6. Now it is situation. समझ रहे हो? उस पहाड़ पे चढ़ाई करनी है हमने. We have to reach that mountain. वहाँ पे पाकिस्तान, वहाँ पर दुश्मन बैठा है, तो इस रास्ते से जाएंगे, फिर इधर से घूम के जाएंगे. पहला शुरुआत आपने करी नहीं, दोनों तरफ से फायरिंग शुरू. अब क्या? अब तो आपने, those plans have gone for a 6. You can't do that because now he started firing. Now you have to work on your contingencies, on your contingency plans. जो आपने अब सिचुएशन को देख करके आपने जाना है. आपने सोचा यहाँ से नोएडा पिक्चर देखने जाना है हमने, या वो ग्रेट इंडिया मॉल ऑफ इंडिया में जाना है, ट्रैफिक जाम हो गया. आपने कहा मम्मी इतने बजे चलेंगे, वहाँ पे पहुँच जाएंगे, हम 1:30 बजे निकलेंगे, 27 मिनट लगते हैं, वी विल बी देयर इन ग्रेट इंडिया मॉल ऑफ इंडिया. यहाँ से चले, थोड़ी दूर आगे गए, ट्रैफिक जैम. आपने तो प्लान कर लिया माइंड में. सो दैट मेंटल फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी यू हैव टू अडॉप्ट हियर, कि भाई बाएं से चलेंगे, चलो वो क्या बोलते हैं, जेपी का हॉस्पिटल है, उधर से होके फिर ये पतली वाली गली से होके इधर से मुड़ के घूमते घामते तब आप पहुँचेंगे. So that was not in your plan. It was situational now. Yes. So that flexibility of mind, if you are fixated, नहीं हमको तो इसी रास्ते से जाना था, तो अप्रैल में ही पहुंचोगे, भाई अभी तो जुलाई चल रहा है, हैं? तो फिर तो if you are fixated, नहीं कई लोग रिजिड होते हैं. I'll tell you example of why BlackBerry. Have you heard of mobiles? BlackBerry? It was very popular. You know, when the mobiles got introduced in India, it was a status symbol. BlackBerry. How BlackBerry failed? Go on to the Google and see why BlackBerry failed. Is nowhere today. Today, Samsung, iPhone, all these new companies have come in, OnePlus or whatever. How? The BlackBerry failed because they had a very, very rigid marketing and design system. What they said is, BlackBerry, no, the mobile jo hai, the mobile has this much of a pad and the screen is only this much. Alright, this much of a pad and that pad is fixated. Fix hai, rubber ka pad hai usme. He said ki those who, this is our status symbol. उन्होंने चेंज ही नहीं किया वो. द कंपनी वॉज सो रिजिड विद दैट प्लान कि हमने यही डिजाइन निकालना है. और क्या हुआ? दे वर आउट ऑफ द मार्केट टुडे. टुडे इट्स अ टच स्क्रीन सिस्टम. नाउ दे आर अगेन कमिंग इन, बट अगेन विद दैट पैड. Therefore, BlackBerry, they were giants. BlackBerry is like iPhone, but today no one hears about that BlackBerry. So if you have a very rigid mindset, you will not survive. You have to be flexible, situational. That is exactly. ये पढ़ के गए थे, ये नहीं आया, सो बैठ के रोने लग गए, अरे कुछ आता ही नहीं है. Apply yourself, and all these exams which will appear, it is not कोई bookish knowledge नहीं चाहिए. It is all application you apply. So think it logically, you will be a successful person. Yeah. Any other person? Yeah.
So there's a term in ethics we read that is dealing with crisis of conscience. So you just
Crisis?
crisis of conscience. That is, so you just mentioned, अगर एक person सही है and 100 गलत है, फिर भी आपने सही होना है. But what if sir there are some other external circumstances और कोई सीनियर से प्रेशर वगैरह आ रहा है, आप प्रैक्टिकली कैसे डील कर पाएंगे उस सिचुएशन?
वो तो हमेशा आएगा. Any profession you go, सीनियर से तो प्रेशर होगा. You speak your mind. Sorry sir, it cannot be done, and for reasons A, B, C, D. If you are telling me to go, I'll lose my men. Are you prepared? Yes or no? Understand? You speak your mind, your conviction. So that is one. You know, leaders may be right also at times, but leaders are rigid as well. But when what she said is that आप सोचते हो कि ये गलत है, but at times, you know, certain wrong things also prove to be right at places. Now the judgment you have to take. In our system, you must put across your point कि सर ये चीज़ अगर हम करेंगे तो इसमें ये problems आ सकती हैं. I am not being pessimistic. I am with you, but you know my observation to your plan is this A, B, C, D. And you can then you see it. I am talking of military. Military is not democratic. The buck stops here. When I am the commanding officer of a particular unit, or a brigade commander on the GOC, the buck stops here. It's my responsibility. There are 15,000 people I am commanding. Everyone will have his views. अगर हम सुनने लग गए तो फिर तो लड़ाई हो चुकी. कि सर हमको जरा घर जाना है, जरा मेरे पापा की तबीयत ठीक नहीं. ना सॉरी, छुट्टी उट्टी का कोई चक्कर नहीं. आपको पता है जवान जो है हमारे छुट्टी महीने में साल में सिर्फ दो महीने जाता है. ओनली 2 months अवे फ्रॉम, मतलब विद हिज फैमिली. 10 महीने उसका परिवार अकेला रहता है. Only 2 months, that's all. So it is, you have to take, but you have to give the benefit of doubt to the leader. You have to, that is exactly what I said, you have to have confidence in your leader, and the leader can come in with confidence with far number of, you know, attributes of a leader which I talked of. Personal example hai, righteousness hai, fearlessness hai. So all these challenges which are there, I think that is exactly what I want to highlight. Yeah, I hope I have answered your question. Yeah, पीछे से. हाँ, very good. हाँ, I don't know yaar. I know I tried medical, failed yaar. I could not make it. I was not a very, you know, I went for this medical, I could not make it. But I appeared in IMA and I got right from the beginning. Actually, you know, I stayed in Gorakhpur, so there was large amount of Gurkha. There's the Gurkha GRD depot. So I got motivated from there. Air Force was there. So that is where my uncle was in the army. So that is where I got motivated to join this beautiful organization. And I have no regrets to it. And thank you. I did not become a doctor. I would have really killed so many people. So, right. Thank you very much for asking this question. I am motivated. Yeah, please come. जी बताएं. Sorry.
सर अगर लैंग्वेज हमारे करियर के रास्ते पे बाधा क्रिएट करती है तो उसे कैसे ओवरकम करें एंड लैंग्वेज को कैसे सीखें?
Practice make you perfect. That is one. Language is one part. Definitely हिंदी अगर आपको आती है तो कोई आपको रोक नहीं रहा है.
नो सर, एक्चुअली आई एम फ्रॉम वेस्ट बंगाल एंड मुझे बंगाली आती है. इवन मैंने अपनी 12th तक सारी स्टडीज बंगालीज में की है. सो इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी बोथ आर माय प्रॉब्लम.
अच्छा, both are your problem. You must apply for state level examinations. The state services examinations are there if you are looking for, you know, this kind of this thing. But you have to learn language. That is, I'm sure you are motivated. Come all the way from West Bengal to learn this. I think you will be able to do it. Don't keep it here 6 inches. Again, attitude. You start learning. How did I learn Marathi? I am from Gorakhpur. I can speak. She must have felt very happy, no? Huh? So, you know, Pala is very beautiful language. All right, but you can adopt. It's not. And what's your age? You're just young. You will be able to try it out. Go on to the YouTube and all this places. Sit down in a quiet room. बोलना शुरू करो हिंदी में. गलती होगा कोई बात नहीं. लेकिन you must speak. All right. English also. English is a very simple language. It is only that we don't practice. हमारे फादर मदर कौन सा अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलते. हम लोग सब उसी सोसाइटी से आते हैं जहाँ से आप लोग आते हैं. हम लोगों ने भी इसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में रहकर ही सीखा. ठीक है. एंड वंस यू प्रैक्टिस यू विल बी एबल टू, you know, adopt. You seem to be familiar. No, नहीं. Okay. मेहनत करनी है, सब कुछ आ जाएगा.
थैंक यू सर.
Yeah. Anyone here? Any question? Yeah, please. I couldn't get your question. देखो ऐसा है, एक चीज डिसिप्लिन के बारे में मैं बताऊं, जब तक डंडा है तब तक डिसिप्लिन रहता है. सिंपल है. जब तक प्रिंसिपल साहब मैडम इधर है तब तक डिसिप्लिन बिल्कुल टाइट है. जहाँ निकले नहीं फटाफट बाल हिलाए अपने ऐसे वैसे किया निकल लिए. हाँ. सो देखो, दिस इज व्हाट आई सेल्फ, इट इज सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन. यू डोंट हैव टू फॉलो एनीबॉडीज डिसिप्लिन. जस्ट जनरल चौहान टोल्ड यू, सो यू नो यू हैव टू बी डिसिप्लिन्ड. आपका खुद का अपने से आना चाहिए. नहीं यार, इफ आई डू इट गलत, और दूसरे लोग देख भी रहे हैं ना, है ना. हम कार से नीचे उतारे, पानी की बोतल बाहर फेंक दिया. यू आर ड्राइविंग अ ब्लडी कार और 2 लाख 20 लाख, सीधे धीरे से खाना खाया, चाट खाई अंदर कार के और नीचे बाहर उसके. यू आर एजुकेटेड पीपल. आई फील वेरी वेरी हर्ट एक्चुअली. यहाँ ग्रेटर नोएडा में मैं देखता हूँ रॉन्ग साइड ड्राइविंग. नो, हाउ कैन यू डू दिस? देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन that people like us will ever do. हम कभी कर ही नहीं सकते. उल्टी साइड भले इतना सा कट क्यों नहीं, हमको घूम के आना है, कोई बात नहीं. तो ये सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन अपने आप में आपको बिल्डअप करना है बेटे. ठीक है. और आप लोग कर लोगे. खुद को देखो. आई विल टेल यू, मैं ना, आई वाज इंस्ट्रक्टर इन आर्मी वॉर कॉलेज. वहां पर एक नेवल ऑफिसर था. हॉर्न है ना, हॉर्न, कार में हॉर्न लगता है. अब जस्ट बिकॉज हॉर्न लगा है, चलो बजाना जरूरी है. You know what he told us? I was also very happy to learn that. He said, sir, in last 5 years I have never blown a horn of my car. आप ट्राई करके, कितने लोग कार चला सकते हैं? हाथ खड़ा करो. All of you. Just try it out. क्या जरूरी है हॉर्न बजाना? पेशेंस चाहिए उसमें. Just because there is a horn, you are contributing to the noise pollution in our country. Don't try doing this. I was so motivated that time. I said, yeah, he was captain, naval captain. I was a brigadier that time. I was his teacher. So I said, yeah, what a wonderful thing you have told us. And I'm following it today. I drive every day from here to Delhi Cant. My office is there. I head an organization of the army, which is essentially for placement. I place the retired officers, JCOs, other ranks, ladies, girls, boys, into various corporate and other organizations. I drive from here every day 2 hours and I come back every day. And I try my level best not to blow horn. Not required. You don't require. Have some patience. Gana suno, itna badhiya gana FM radio baj raha hai. 98.3 FM. Huh? Yeah. Anyone else? Yeah. Yeah, please.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for being here. Sir, I want to ask you, like, what was your strategy while commanding your team? And do you think a proper strategy is important for a civil servant?
Absolutely, strategy is very important. Please sit down. You see, when I was commanding, I definitely had a plan in my mind. You have to have a vision. That is more important. You have to have goals. And goal doesn't mean you make a book on goals. ये भी करना, वो भी करना, फलाना करना. Prioritize your goals. 5, 6 of them. I'll ensure my office to be punctual. Just giving you an example. I will ensure that my work starts at 9 and finishes at 5. Not even 5:15. It finishes at 5. Why should I sit more than 5 after 5 o'clock? I will ensure that there is no tobacco nuisance in my office. I will ensure that smoking is discouraged. You know, these are the things which you can, I'm just giving you a wild example of goals which you can have in your office. One, when you are a leader, I will lead from front. I have to ensure that none of my men, I told my men, we have a darbar every month with our men. 800 men sit and I speak to them. Basically the motivation. I said, we are going to a field area to Batalik and we'll stay there for 2 years. And I will ensure the number of people, if I am taking 811 boys on top because their families are back home. And I will ensure that not even one guy gets bloody casualty there, irrespective whether it is an operational area or. So these are the visions and goals you have made. Now you have to work towards their goal. So how do you ensure that you don't have a casualty? It's a very tough area. Leh kitne log Leh gaye? Haath khada karo. By road, Srinagar. Anyone been to Srinagar? Okay. So those are tough areas. गाड़ियाँ चल रही हैं, उसमें भी कैजुअलिटी हो सकती है, एनमी कैजुअलिटी भी हो सकती है, माइन ब्लास्ट हो सकता है, हम लोग फील्ड एरियाज में रहते हैं, वहाँ माइंस लगी हैं. सो दीज आर ऑल गोल्स एंड यू वर्क बिहाइंड. नहीं तब उसको बताना है सिर्फ ट्रैक पे चलना है, इंश्योर डिसिप्लिन इन देम. So these are all complicated issues, but definitely have 4 to 5 KRAs, जिसको बोलते हैं key result areas, and work on those key punctuality, what do you call integrity, then honesty. Now, these are the things which you have to work on and make your mind ensure and be very ruthless in ensuring this what do you call you reach to those goals. Yeah. Anyone else? Yeah, please come.
You were sharing the experience of that. You wanted to share your behavior when due to the avalanche which you were lost, and you had also to be alert at the same time that the Pakistani soldier doesn't
Fire at you.
In every time do the borders have to keep alert that there is a fear of getting an attack.
Borders are borders. You see, these are places where you have to be alert all the time. You don't have a choice. You cannot take chances here.
Without any
No, yes, exactly. Without any, and there are conflicts. I'll tell you. There was. I was in Batalik sector, and but now you see, it is not only fighting; it is how you manage that complete thing. So there was a disputed area. हमारे यहाँ guns लगी हैं एक area में. सामने I can see 500 meters पे there were a Pakistani post and there were boys sitting on top. So in one of my posts what happened that the weapon cleaning, my medium machine gun was there and those are fixed areas. तो साफ दिन के टाइम में सफाई किया, उसको सफाई करते हैं, जब देखा होगा पिक्चर में ऐसे ऐसे करके फायर करते हैं ना, तो वो तो ये तो बड़ी गन है, लेट के किस पे होता है 2 आदमी How much chapatis you eat every day? यार 4 चपाती में तेरा काम नहीं चलेगा भाई. 2 in the morning, 3 in the afternoon, 3 in the and run 5 kilometers. Okay, so you have to, this heavy, so 500 almost 60-70 kgs. This weapon system. उसने लगाया और बेल्ट लगी रहती है वहाँ पे, जो उसकी एमुनिशन होता है ना, जो गोली होती है उसकी बेल्ट होती है 280-285 की बेल्ट होती है. एक बार देखते हो ना पिक्चरों में 280 राउंड निकलते हैं एक बार में, अगर वो ट्रिगर प्रेस हो जाता है जो आवाज़ आती है. एंड इन माउंटेन्स इट इकोज. वो पिक्चरों में देखिए उसने आवाज़ दी पहाड़ में तो वो आगे चलती जाती, रेशमा करके चिल्लाया उसने, तो रेशमा जो है वो सब जगह बोल रही है. ठीक है. सो इसने क्या किया कि वो साफ करके उसने वेपन डाला और गलती से उसने ट्रिगर दबा दिया करके निकल गया. और ट्रिगर, थैंक गॉड द वेपन सिस्टम वाज टुवर्ड्स पाकिस्तान. इंडिया की तरफ तो गांव वाले ही को लग गई होती. नाउ सी द प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड ऑफ दिस ऑफिसर, एंड इट वाज अ पीस टाइम, देयर वाज नो वॉर, इट वाज व्हाट सीज फायर ड्यूरेशन. एंड दोस पाकिस्तानी बॉयज जम्प्ड इनसाइड. 500 पे थे. यानी हमारी जो ये वेपन सिस्टम है इसकी रेंज ऑलमोस्ट 2.5 किलोमीटर्स की थी. एंड देयर वाज सम डिस्प्यूट एरिया, वहाँ पर हमने माइक शाइक भी रखे थे. तो ही टुक द माइक, ही सेड इट वाज वेपन क्लीनिंग गोइंग ऑन, सॉरी वी हैव रेज्ड अ व्हाइट फ्लैग, सो इट वाज नॉट इंटेंशनल. अगेन एरर ऑफ it was not a error of intent. And then they came forward and then we spoke. यार वो वेपन साफ कर रहे थे. They also know कि वेपन लगे हुए हैं यहाँ पे, कोई हम वहाँ पर चूल्हा थोड़ी जला रहे हैं, मतलब लड़ाई लड़ने गए हैं भाई, है कि नहीं है. So they agreed to it. So that is what I wanted to highlight. Yeah, please come.
Sir, what are the ways to tackle a problem?
Sorry?
So what are the ways to tackle a problem?
Analyze the problem, break it into pieces.
Sir, first,
take small steps.
Sir, firstly, sir, what should we do to tackle a problem?
Tackle a problem.
Yes.
Any problem which you see, first you see the gravity of that problem. अब मच्छर काट रहा है वो भी प्रॉब्लम है ना, छत की पंखा गिरने वाला है वो भी प्रॉब्लम है. सो कितनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है वो देखना है. तो पहले तो ये प्रॉब्लम को दिमाग से निकाल दो. फर्स्ट थिंग यू शुड थिंक इज हाउ टू सॉल्व एनी इशू. नो प्रॉब्लम इज अ प्रॉब्लम till such time you take it as a problem. There is a saying, never trouble till trouble troubles you. All right. ठीक है कि ट्रबल को साले को ट्रबल नहीं करना till such time the trouble starts troubling you. It is a problem. There is no, every problem has got a solution. You have to think it logically कि how to solve it. Understand? I can't tell you academically. I can tell you practical problems if it comes, how to resolve it. Part is to empower yourself. If you have, in your perception, it is कि पढ़ाई लिखाई में problem या interview की problem है ना. These are the problems which you look at this age, and the problem changes with your age. The problem changes with your time and your maturity. At your age, the problem अभी कमरे में जाएंगे यार वो कहाँ रहेंगे इसका कभी. हाँ. So everyone has got a different problem. So most important of what I could in nutshell I can tell you is break the problem. Don't think it is a problem. Think how to solve it. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, anyone else?
So sorry for interruption. We need to wind up actually. It's the
Oh yeah,
lunch
okay.
time.
Now from my side the questions are coming, so yeah.
But did you ever volunteer for para?
I'm an infantry chief. I've done commandos and all. I never wanted to go to paras because as it is I'm a infantry officer. So I have done infantry course in infantry school Belgaum, and I've done commandos in infantry school Belgaum. So yeah, so I'm as it is an infantry officer. So paras I don't have to. Yeah. Gorakhpur I studied. Yes. Where you studied in Gorakhpur? Where? Huh? No, I studied in railway school. Yeah.
How did you handle your setbacks or failure
setback of failure, sit down in a quiet room, introspect, where did I go wrong? Sit down in a quiet room, बंद करके अकेले सोचो कहाँ गलती हमने करी, and how can I improve? That is how I did it. I used to sit down because you know the CEO is alone. He is a lone man. My wife is also not there in field, so that I can share it with her. All right.
As you said, you are firstly you were into medical field. How did you handle as some लोग बोलते हैं कुछ ना कुछ जैसे you said first you were into medical field and then you do army. This was your second.
Yeah. So you know this setback, I took setback as a challenge. When you take your challenge as an opportunity, all right. When I thought, okay, I have not made it to the medical doctor, I must see better options, and I ensured that I get through in any one of the finest professions, and that is how I went. So I took this as an opportunity कि अभी हमारे पास और भी options available हैं, खाली medical और engineering नहीं है, ठीक है? चलो, I think we'll wind it up here. Thank you very much interacting with you all.